Our doctors may be killing us. Don't want to trust me? Then if you feel like something is wrong, go see a health professional. But it's unsettling to know that roughly 250,000 deaths are caused by medical error each year. You could be trapped in a coma-like state and be aware of it. Locked-in syndrome might just be the most terrifying medical condition. It's like when you're stuck between sleep and being awake, however, can talk and can only move your eyes because you're unable to respond to anything. Your cat may sense when you're dying. A pet cat named Oscar resided in a nursing home and was believed to be able to tell when one of the residents would soon die. He'd sleep beside them until they passed. Your child is exactly as creepy as you think they are, since 20% of children report says that children are hearing voices. It could be imaginary friends. It takes the death of 27,000 trees daily to make toilet paper for humans. Think about it. Crows are very intelligent since they can recognize a human face very easily, so think twice before getting one mad, okay? Pareidolia is a psychological phenomenon where your mind sees a face in things like fruits or clothes, like waking up at night in the dark and the cloth you throw randomly looks like a person looking at you or a monster. Intense fear can cause your body to release too much adrenaline, and the heart is the only organ that is affected by it. Excess adrenaline is too toxic to the heart. When you spend 10 minutes in front of the mirror in a dimly lit room staring at yourself, your mind will get bored and start scaring you by making you see a monster with your face combination, and it is true according to the results of an experiment. Facebook makes people depressed because of the comparison of lifestyle, relationships, and personal lives. An increased usage of Facebook linked to depression according to a study. And what makes this fact creepy is that Facebook is aware of it. If a group of people witness an emergency, they're less likely to help as they'll wait for someone else to act first. The bigger the group is, the less people are here to help, and it is proven by a study. The dust in your house is largely made up of your dead skin, since every year you shed more than 8 pounds of skin that collects in every inch of the corner of your house. In the USA, 1 in every 3 murder cases never gets solved. Some people with Cotard syndrome may stop speaking or eating since they believe they're dead. Within 3 days of death, the enzymes from your digestive system begin to digest your body on its own. Thomas Hargrove, a homicide archivist, estimates that there are over 2,000 serial killers at large right now. Sudden arrhythmic death syndrome is a condition where someone seemingly healthy suddenly dies with no apparent reason and cause of death. No cause of death can be found in about 1 in 20 cardiac deaths. People who are in a long-term relationship are more likely to have the same type of microbiota present in their mouths, since kissing exchange over 80 million bacteria. The air you breathe in a train station is 50% of human skin. According to psychology, humans are the only mammal that delay sleep. Your eyes blink mostly around 20 times a minute, which is over at 10 million times a year. According to a research, negativity is not only not helpful, but can actually change an individual for the worse. You are always 6 minutes away from death. Breathing resets it. There is a high chance that you have walked past a missing person. We will never have another childhood. That's it. Psychology says some of us are actually afraid of being too happy because of the fear that something tragic might happen. A study has shown teenage years are considered to be the best and worst year of a person's life. Psychology says people become extremely honest, awkward, weird, or personal during the late nights or early mornings. A study suggests the inability to control negative thoughts is a warning sign of depression. There is no evidence that today is a certain weekday or a certain date. We're just trusting that someone has kept the count since the day one. Doctors in US teaching hospitals sometimes have medical students perform pelvic exams on unconscious women without their knowledge or consent. Over 50% of commercial pilots have admitted to falling asleep while flying a plane. A study has suggested there is no scientific evidence explaining how anesthesia works.